Welcome back, friends. We're on the road again today, having a little Sunday adventure as we are heading towards Lawrence, Kansas to check out a ramen place. Usually I am the guy that eats ramen in this family, like real ramen, not the fake ramen. So we are on the road right now, heading out there. It's a dreary day at this place, but we don't live very close to Lawrence. Lawrence is like a good 25-minute drive out there. We love Lawrence, like love it, but since the pandemic, you know, you can't really go out and walk around Lawrence, and that's kind of what Lawrence is going around and walk and going and eat and shop and do all that kind of fun stuff. So, you know, we've been on lockdown. We are actually just going to try to we've been doing this thing where we eat in the car a lot when we really need to get out. So yeah, we're going to go try to eat ramen in the car. So this will be fun, right? Yeah, it'll be great. You know, ramen normally, you know, you want to have it served right in front of you and it's nice and hot, but you know, we're going to give this a try in the car.
So we are going to try some ramen in the car. It should be very interesting. I'm hoping they remember like utensils or the fact that we will be getting it to go. What else? Lawrence is college town, so if you haven't been, Lawrence, Kansas is located in between Topeka and Kansas City. So it's a college town. It's very cute. Their downtown area, Mass Street, is well known for like their restaurants, and they have like a lot of international options for their restaurants on Mass Street. And it's just a really cute town. It's super cute. Definitely
a lot of restaurants there for a long time that have been around for a while.
Yeah.
But they also have things that come and go, just like any other place.
Yeah. So it's a lot of fun. It's a great day trip, especially when the weather's nice. We're going to try this pandemic style eating in the car though with ramen. So stay tuned. It should be interesting.
So, Lawrence ramen bowls to go in the car. Kind of a fail, but fun nonetheless. So, I got the traditional Tokyo shoyu bowl, which is basically just like a pork broth that's seasoned with soy sauce, and it has a little chasu, which is like a nice we took some pictures of the food beforehand. It was really hard to film while we're eating because we're obviously in the car and whatnot. But actually, I'm very surprised that it was very flavorful, very, very good. Just a regular bowl of ramen noodles with their chicken broth or whatever the basic broth is. Really nice. And then we got the rice with a little chopped up sweet pork, which was really tasty, and they had this really delicious bok choy on top of it as well. And then we also got we got a dumpling ramen, which was pretty tasty. The only bad thing, and it's probably just because it was to go, was that the noodles kind of stuck together because we had to wait a little bit before we put the broth on, so they kind of like fused together, so there's kind of clumpy, gloppy mess, which I don't think that would happen if we're actually inside eating it inside. But overall, I think it's pretty decent, you know.
I definitely wouldn't recommend ramen in the car, just because it was difficult to eat and it was really, really messy. Definitely good flavor. It's just a little bit more of a doughy noodle than I like, but it was really good. Let's go check out the University of Kansas. Go Jayhawks!